BioCryst Pharmaceuticals, Inc., Nasdaq, BCRX, today announced preliminary, unaudited ORLADEYO, Baratralstat, revenue for the third quarter and full year 2021. BioCryst Inc. has a clear picture of the continued commercial trajectory for ORLADEYO, a once-daily oral therapy for the treatment of a variety of diseases, based on a very attractive product profile. Patient retention is high, and the company is seeing strong demand to switch from injectable therapies to this oral therapy. BioCryst is confident that ORLADEYO will achieve no less than $250 million of net revenue in 2022 and that ORLADEYO will become the market leader as the most prescribed prophylactic therapy with peak sales of $1 billion. BioCryst's ORLADEYO is a novel prophylactic therapy that is currently being prescribed in over 50 countries and is expected to become the standard of care in the near future. Fourth quarter 2021, Q4 2021, ORLADEYO launch dynamics preliminary, unaudited ORLADEYO net revenue in Q4 2021 was $45.6 million.